Tim at St. Louis Equipment. Right now at all of our stores, we have our aerator service special going on. It's now until October 31st. We're right in the middle of aerating season, and we know you need your equipment turned around super quick. So we're offering 24-hour turnaround service to service your aerator. So if you forgot about it to get it serviced at the end of last year, get it in here. We'll get it back in your hands, up and running, so you can make some money during the short aerating season. We will change the oil, service everything on this aerator, whether it's the seat box, make sure it works, make sure chains are working, make sure your hydro is working. We can service your hydro as well while it's in if you would like that. Grease the entire unit, go through the spark plugs, the air filters, fuel filters. Top to bottom, front to back, we will go over your machine. $100 service plus parts. So super easy, super cheap, super quick is the most important thing. Visit any of our stores in the St. Louis area. So we have 4 stores all across the St. Louis area, or go to stlouisequipment.com.